Awesome, awesome. Beautiful old building. We had a lovely welcome at the mill house. Price we were quoted was more than it should have been according to the owner, who corrected it, saving us $11. Beautiful room in the main building with a lovely communal lounge and kitchen area with a wonderful selection of teas and coffee. Would love to stay here again. Great service and value for money. Looked at the motels and Airbnb around this area and you would be smart to book this. Best value for money. Clean room. Super warm for the winter. Friendly concierge. Great location and wonderful house. Just spend one night and have a great stay here. Perfect house, especially the garden. Receptionist is so friendly. Highly recommend. Exceptional, excellent staff. Great motel unit. Nice old house, though can't cook in the main building. Interesting experience in this very old house. Very clean and modern inside. However, cannot cook.